Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Indian National Congress minta kasing sakjan ar penriu terik jembang arajar khatpra kala takran bat Kynnoh bakaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP wabat iulakam sinsyar hakari India kala syuklai tang daki jingkular bom shimnala ban pensaiso wat kaweru hagini kisaus nem bakani ka party kala sinsyar ya kadoba India. Habakren sekila pathai kubor Dr. Celestine Lingdo, Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, ulak Kynnoh baka Sorkar National Democratic Alliance, kawayalam da kaseng BJP hapok ka jinglong Menteri Rang Badu da Narendra Modi, kamshim lala satya ban penurlong wat tang kaweru ke jingkular kabala klay, syaki Paidbah nong syngsnong kari India, syua ke election syaka Lok Sabha, kabala long House Nem Hajar khatla. Uniu nong elam kaseng Kongres haka jilla Meghalaya, ulak Kynnoh baka Sorkar jong Narendra Modi, kam shim lala satya ban map no ya kiram jeng kinong rep kiblamat ya ka jing sat na ka jingwan lun shop kibor mariang ya ki jing thong jing tap ulakan thoru baka Sorkar jong Narendra Modi kam shim lala ban penulong ya ka jing thau kam thau jam syaki ar klur ngut kisamla kumulok Kular shwa kini kisaus nem baladem.
This government has been elected by the people based on certain promises that they have given to the people in 2014. The most prominent among them is he was talking about Vikas. He was talking about Rozgar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was talking about bringing the black money from overseas. In fact, it has become the talking point that everyone will be getting that 15 lakhs into their accounts. But what is the reality? The reality is, at present, even though the NDA government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they have made the promise to the farmers that they will give them the support, which is the cost price of production plus 50% of the promised minimum support price. But this is not happening now throughout the country. The farmers are holding dharnas, many have committed suicide, and our agricultural production, which was at 4.2% during the UPA rule, now has gone down to only 1.7%. So the big question is, what is there to celebrate about? These are the issues which we should really discuss. Everyone was talking about how the ministers in this NDA government were making irresponsible statements. Pakaurawala is employment. That is a joke. During the election, they promised 2 crores job per year. At the end of 4 years, we are supposed to see 8 crores job. But till date, there's not even 8 lakhs new employment. On the contrary, through demonetization, the disturbances that have been created by demonetization, 15 lakhs jobs were lost in the unorganized sector. We are talking about 8 lakhs creation of new posts, whereas the loss of jobs is more than 14-15 lakhs. So the Congress party throughout the country today would like to mention the 4th anniversary of the NDA government is in fact the 4th anniversary of betrayal which the BJP government under the leadership of the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, they have given false promises to the people and people have been cheated. The country has no future under the present government.